What's up, Nation? Day 5, Friday. So, our Metcon today, a little bit of the WOD squat. You're going to have 5 rounds. It's going to be a 150-meter run. If you don't have to map out a run, just run for a minute, go 30 seconds out, 30 seconds back. 10 burpees, and then from there, 10 pull-ups. Score though, and then from there, you'll rest 1 minute. And sorry, the score would be your slowest round. Pull-ups, get really creative. If you don't have anywhere in your house to like hang and then pull up, you can go bent over rows with your kettlebell, dumbbell. There'll be 10 each side. But yeah, get creative, post it to the nation, see what you can get. Just find something that you can hang off of and then just pull up. A little bit of core. You're gonna have 7-minute AMRAP. It's gonna be 18 hollow rocks, 15 Russian twists or heel taps. I would say go Russian twist if you have a little bit of that weight. You can use a dumbbell, the plate if you checked it out. Or if not, just have heel taps. It'll be 15, but it'll be with a 2 count. And then from there, you'll have 9 elevated plank and then a 30-second rest. So just continue working for 7 minutes. Just don't forget 30-second rest after you complete a full round. Those elevated planks, real quick, we'll demo those real fast. So if you want, you can find either a box, your couch, whatever you have that's a little bit elevated, right? Coach Briggs started in that plank position, and from there, his hands will come on up, slowly come down. Good, just like that. Warm up, it's gonna be 20 seconds each movement for 2 rounds. You have your bear crawl, and then from there, you're gonna stay in that bear crawl position. So the knees are gonna be up, and you're gonna go into that bird dog, opposite arm, opposite leg, reaching out. And then same thing, stay in that bear crawl position, and you'll be going into your cat cows. Real fast on what just the bear crawl bird dogs would look like. There you go, so Coach Briggs will be in there, and then he'll go opposite leg, opposite arm. Good, and then after that 20 seconds up, he'll go into his cat cows, arching back. Good, rounding it, just like so. 20 seconds each movement, 2 rounds. After that, you'll have a nice little flow session. It'll be 3 minutes in each position. So you have lunge with the twist, Superman's, and then, Spider-Man's, dropping the knee onto that lunge, trying to get that chest, open up those hips, and then a 15-second tabletop hold.